Hey everybody, it's Amber and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. This is the Edible Gift Ideas YouTube hop and I'm super excited to be participating in this. I can't wait to show you what I've created. Also participating in the hop are three really sweet and talented crafters here on YouTube, and they are Carolina, and she's over at Carolina's Creations Handmade, and she is actually hosting the hop. She is awesome. I talked about her in my other video when I shared the save the date, and I hope that you all went over and subscribed to her channel because she is just the sweetest person ever and so talented and creative. Another one of the sweet ladies involved in the hop is Josie, and she is over at Life at 50 and Beyond. Josie has the most creative Dollar Tree DIYs you'll ever see. You're going to be so inspired by watching her videos. So make sure you go over to her channel as well and subscribe and just get inspired and blown away by all of her creative goodness over there. And last but not least is Tamika, and she's at Scrap the World here on YouTube. She has really great ideas, and she's so incredible. Her channel is just one of my biggest inspirations on YouTube. I love what she creates over there, and she's so sweet. So please go over and subscribe to her channel as well. So I want to tell you a little bit about why I chose to do this edible gift crafts. So in this video, I'm kind of going back to my roots because one year my sister Ginger and I discovered a really fun little candy craft, and it was so popular at craft fairs. And they are little candy trains. So this is by no means my original idea. This is by no means a new idea. It's actually me going back to my craft fair roots, if you will, and just kind of sharing something that brought so many good memories to me and my family. And I wanted to show you guys, in case you haven't seen these before, how fun they are and how fun they are to give as gifts. So I kind of dolled this up and I kind of put a couple little touches, different touches to the original design, but I really wanted to share with you how I create my candy trains. And I'm actually going to create the one that I make into an ornament. So I really hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first of all, you are going to need these candies here. So I've got mine organized in this cute little Christmas tray, but you're going to need Lifesavers, the mini Hershey candy bars, Rolos, and some Lifesavers, or you can use like peppermint, like just the peppermint wheel candy. Those are perfect for this. And then you're going to need some of the like little packs of gum. And it's hard to find those little packs of gum. I found mine at Dollar Tree. That seems to be the only place where you can still get these individual little packs of gum. And actually, you get a pack of 3 for $1 there. So what you're going to do is just take one of the packs of gum and do a line of hot glue. And if you're making this into an ornament, you're going to want to do this next step next. So take your elastic, and I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut, as you know, the length that I want my ornament loop to be. So you just place that on there onto the hot glue before you stick your Lifesavers on top. So the back of the Lifesaver, so I guess the right side of the Lifesavers, needs to be flush with the gum. So don't make it overlap. The front is going to overlap just a little bit, but this is the back of it. And then you're just going to take your elastic and tie it in a double knot around the Lifesavers. So that's going to be very secure to hang on the tree. And I'll show you how to loop it in just a second. Well, actually, I think I'm going to put the candy on first. So then you take your Rolos, and I took 2 of different colors. You can get the Christmas ones out right now. You put a dab of hot glue on the bottom of your first one, and line this up flush with the 2 candies that you just put on. So flush with the gum and the Lifesavers in the back of the train. Next, you take your second color of your Rolo and stick it right on top of the other one. So you have like a double layer, and this is like the back part of the train. And just gently push it down because you really don't want the chocolate to melt. You still want people to be able to eat these. So then you're going to take your little miniature Hershey And you're going to line it up with the bottom of the Lifesaver. So you don't want to scoot it all the way down to the gum part. You're just going to do it to the bottom of the Lifesaver. Do a little strip here of hot glue, and then you're going to line it up, like I said, the bottom of the candy bar to the bottom of the Lifesavers, and then just glue it like this and make sure it's glued there to the Rolos as well, and it won't move around. So it's already coming together. It's so cute. The next part is the Hershey Kiss. You can use any Hershey Kiss for this, and a lot of the pictures and things that we saw put the Hershey Kiss upside down, but we like to put it right side up because the little white little tissue that comes out that says Hershey or whatever it says, it looks like smoke. So it kind of looks like it's the smoke coming out of the train. So we really like the look of that. And so I like to put it right there at the tip in the front. And that one says Hugs because it's like a Hershey's Hugs. So the next step is the wheels. So really those peppermint candies that you can get, like, you know, the classic peppermints, they look really cute with this. But what I had on hand are these holiday Lifesavers, and they come in these plastic individually wrapped. So what I did is I just taped each side down so it's more of a confined circle. Put some hot glue on the back, and you want to make that flush with the bottom of the gum, because you don't want the wheels to be what holds up your train. You want it to be the flat pack of gum. So that's how you're going to glue that on. So let's glue on one more, and it looks really good when you do these because they have holes in them and they look like real wheels or tires or whatever. But it's just a fun candy train, and I think the more colorful, the better. It's just so cute. So let me go ahead and glue the other two wheels on the same exact way, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the cute little touch that I added this year, there are these little chocolate Santas that I found at Dollar Tree, and I believe they came in like a pack of 8, and I showed it in the beginning or in the middle of this video when I was showing all the candy bags and stuff. These are at the Dollar Tree, and they come in this pack that is actually snowmen and Santas, but I looked through all of them to see where I could find the packs with the most Santas, because I think Santa looks so cute as the little conductor of the train. It's so adorable. So that's the part that I added that we didn't used to do, and I just think it adds such a cute festive touch. So then you just, if you want to make this into an ornament, you just take your elastic. You would leave the elastic completely off if you didn't want to make an ornament, but I wanted to make this one into an ornament, like as a gift. So you just take your elastic and make a loop as big as you want. And then you can take this and you can decorate your tree with it, or like you can give it as a gift, as kind of like what I'm doing. But I'm going to show you how it looks hanging on a tree. This is my Christmas tree, and I just think these are so cute. Imagine giving one of these as a gift, and it's just going to be such a special ornament that you can then eat at the end of the season because it's going to be delicious. So I made 2 here, as you can see, into ornaments, and 1 just as decor. You can set it out on your mantle or your little coffee table or something as decor. But I think these make such great stocking stuffers and gifts, and I want to show you how I wrapped one of these up to make it really extra special. So let's choose the ornament, and I'm going to show you how I wrap this up. So I got these CeeLo bags from Hobby Lobby, and then I got these CeeLo bag inserts from Hobby Lobby. They're down in the little party supply section, and you just look for the inserts that are for the 5x11 bags. And then you, of course, buy the 5x11 bags. So that's where I got these. And this has like 4 little flaps, and you just kind of fold them on the score lines. You don't tape it or anything. And then you just set it down in the bag. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But first I want to decorate the sides of this. And I actually already decorated one for filming purposes with my washi tape that I got from Dollar Tree. And you can do this with any washi tape. You can decorate it with scrapbook paper, anything. And I think that it works so well. So you take one of your little bags and you fold up your little insert. It's so easy. And this just makes it, as you know, such a nice presented gift instead of just kind of wrapping that train with tissue paper. But this just makes it a little bit more decorative and special. So isn't that cute and easy? Look it, that is so easy. So I just took some of this crinkle paper that I got from Dollar Tree, and I got it in a pack. I just took a little tiny bit. I'm not taking that much at all because I don't want to take away from the train. So I just laid it down in there, and then you just stick your train in there on the little tray and kind of work it so it doesn't fall over, because it will stay up. It's pretty sturdy, and it has like a flat surface on the bottom, so it should stay up pretty well. So you just go ahead and put it in there and kind of work it around that fluff, because that just gives it a little extra touch to have that fluff stuff in there. I don't know what else to call it. Shred, maybe. There you go. It's called paper shred. And then you take some more of that elastic and just tie it into a knot. And I'm going to show you how cute I embellish this bag. I have so much fun with all like the fun Christmas stuff that I have in my stash. And I wanted to take it out and use it because I think the packaging is half the gift, seriously. So I just snipped that off, and I'm going to show you these really so adorable, these such adorable ribbons that I got at Hobby Lobby last year on clearance after Christmas, and they have them again this year. So you just I just took one of them out of here, and I'm not going to obviously put it on a flat gift, so I just took this like sticky label off, so it's just the ribbon. And I'm just going to go ahead and tie it around the bag. It can be as messy as you want because it's just going to be super perky and cute. And it's just going to give your bag such an adorable decorative touch. And I love this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It's so pretty and it's so curly. And it's got these little like white mini pom-poms sticking out of it in random places. It's just so adorable. So you just tie that in a messy little knot. And I got these big jingle bells from Dollar Tree. Wait until you see these. Look how cute they are, and they're $1 a pack. I'm going to use the green ones. I'm just going to use one and find a piece of the ribbon to string it through. And just look at what a nice, cute touch this gives the gift. So instead of just, taking one of the trains, wrapping it in some tissue or bubble wrap and giving it, you've really, presented the gift in such a beautiful way. And I think, like I said, that's half the gift. So I just tied that cute little perky bell on there, and that is the package. Isn't this adorable? They're the perfect edible DIY gift for the holidays. And I really, really hoped you enjoyed this, and I hope that it inspires you to doll up your packaging and make something super cute, maybe that brings back good memories. So as you know, I did mention this in my previous video, Carolina is going to be sponsoring a $40 gift card for each of our channels. And you have to go ahead and follow these guidelines. They're here on the screen. You must be 18 years or older. You must be subscribed to all 4 of our channels. And then you need to leave a comment on all 4 videos. So you'll have to watch mine and then go over to all of the other 3 ladies' videos, like and subscribe, and also leave a comment. So for my video, I'm going to be giving away 2 of these trains. And so not only am I going to be giving away the $40 gift card that Carolina is providing, but I'm also going to be giving away 2 trains. US and international for the gift card, and then US only for the trains. So just follow all the same rules, and I'm just going to go ahead and pick 3 winners for my channel. So just make sure you follow all the rules and you'll be entered. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. I really, really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to hop over and check out the other 3 ladies' videos. I know that I'm excited to see them. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!